You not have no hole. And someone wanna put up nice, clean the other front clothes you not have on. One on my body, you live like shit house, rubbish. One on my body. She not have no spot, Mr. Simon. She use her mouth. Them have no spot, and my mouth them use mouth. And them mouth I feed them all. Them use it fuck out her, eat out her, drink out her, and dribble. Yes, batty boy. Yeah. Them dribble out her. That gonna come. You send that bad comments. Eh? I never see something yet. I never see something. Even here, something you want to have a laugh here, but what kind of comments you send? Are you deeply cleaner than my one? This got my mouth and cigarette and food. No, this to my lip. I have nightmare and a dream. I'm in a drunk. Me not drunk. Me not drunk for so good. Me drunk. I ain't drinking. Who wants to this for them business? You never ask them, but she tell me a problem. Yeah, she confront. I know everybody stop. I know everybody do it. Some people do it behind closed door. But you tell me no, so you're so good. People remember say me never get a cash up in the people. You're not telling no. I'm wanting to big up on the status. Shit. So, we don't have the garbage bag now. I mean, I waste my, me not make she highlight me, no, people. What I want to talk about now today, people. But actually about 4%. So I can't help it. What I want to talk about today, people, is talk about one day. The small one today. One is gonna come and get one small one another day. Empty. What I want. Good. What I want to talk today, people, is the man them, ever there with a man now, and him ever accused to say you cheat. Eh? You're there with a man and him accused to say you cheat. And you say you don't have nobody to cheat with. That makes sense? Eh? That don't make no sense. If you have a cheating problem, go and cheat. Me not have a no cheating problem. Me not have no cheating problem. Cause me not look no man. And every man a fucker go want you. And every boy a fucker go want you. So I go just fuck you and duck you. Yeah. So I just fuck you and duck you. Never man problem. Me tell you say me a fuck for me devil was a boy. What you want? 100? The one that, yeah. Me a fuck for me devil was a boy. That means I'm not new to fuck. When I see fuck, I say, hello, I'm a virgin. You don't want nobody. You have a problem. Look here, you stay bad and the man have to look for you. Because you remember saying I have a son up here, you know. Me not have nothing son up on me, you know. Nothing at all. Me not have nothing son up on me. Me not have nothing son up on me.